and welcome. My name is Ali Bajani with HG2 Emergency Lighting. A few months ago, the HG2 Dark Shadow was an ultimate crime-fighting machine. This vehicle was injured in the line of duty and unfortunately had to be decommissioned. This gave us the opportunity to completely redesign and re-engineer a complete new ultimate crime-fighting machine. Today, we're going to give you the behind-the-scenes look of the HG2 Black Widow. As you can see here behind me, we have a custom-designed Chrysler 300S. This vehicle was completely redesigned with a custom fiberglass hood to give the ability for all the performance upgrades that we had in place. We also have the HG2 Covert series, which blocks out the full headlight system, as well as the grille, as well as the windshield, and all the light heads on this vehicle. When the vehicle is, all the emergency equipment is turned off, there is no indication that this is a patrol-ready vehicle. This vehicle is sitting at about 510 horsepower. There's no other vehicle like this on the market. The base of this vehicle is a 2020 Chrysler 300S. We've had to go and develop a package like no other to make this the ultimate fighting machine. There is 20-inch Ferrata wheels that are also color matched to the vehicle with a matte black finish, as well as blacked out trim. And coming around the rear of the vehicle, we'll start to see some more of the Midnight Edition implemented with our Covert package. This also shows two custom, a lower trunk lid spoiler, as well as a roof mount spoiler. That should give it that nice sporty look, and you'll see what these implement when we turn on the lights. We also have our HG2 Crossfire that's mounted on the tag. This is also part of the Covert series with our smoked optics. The Black Widow has come to life. We're going to start with the front end of the vehicle. We're going to start with the hood. The hood has our HG2 DS1 series that have been custom fabricated into the hood scoop. And again, like I said, this vehicle actually has performance upgrades. So this is usable hood scoop as well. Then we go into the grille. We have jam-packed the grille with a V shape to give it as much light output in the front grille as possible. When the lights were off, we didn't know there was that many lights in there. In the bottom grille, we have also implemented another 6-pack of DS1s back there. And then we've also designed a custom flasher that implements the daytime running lights as well as the fog lights to go ahead and give you that white punch when it comes to crossing intersections and grabbing that attention. This custom mirror light is part of our HG2 Covert series. It also implements the factory turn signal, as well as the lighting module to give you the maximum light output. On the side of the vehicle, we have also implemented our patented technology, the HG2 Wheel Glow. The Wheel Glow does a cruise mode function, as well as a flashing mode. The HG2 Black Widow is also equipped with the HG2 Z-Drive technology. The HG2 Runner has a dual function technology that also gives it the white override as well as cruise mode, as well as 40 flash patterns. What I want to do is take a moment and kind of go inside the vehicle and show you the custom nature of our front visor light. This is custom designed for the Chrysler 300S. It utilizes the factory mounting points and also has zero driver obstruction and no flashback. That's what we strive ourselves on. We also have an HG2 DS1 in the back window that is programmed to work unison with all the other side lights on this vehicle. Moving around to the rear of the vehicle, As you can see, we're going to start off with our custom flasher for the taillights of this Chrysler 300S. This implements the brake, the running light, as well as the reverse light to add the maximum output of lighting using the factory lighting system. We have our HG2 Crossfire. That's also part of our HG2 Cobra series with the smoked lenses. On the trunk light of the HG2 Black Widow, we have this custom designed spoiler light with our lighting system implemented into it. This gives it that sporty touch with giving it the maximum amount of visibility with leaving the complete back window without a traditional rear deck light. We also custom designed a rear upper spoiler. This gives you the ability of a higher light on a sedan without having to go to a traditional light bar. And the reason we had to do this is to keep it as part of our STP series. The STP series is the HG2 Slick Top Pursuit Ready package. Also, with this Chrysler 300, we had to go with the panoramic roof. So there's no way you could mount any lights on the roof of this. On the interior of this vehicle, you see our custom designed control panel in the cockpit of this vehicle. We have our lights, as well as sirens, which also implements a low frequency siren. I'm gonna give you a little test run of this. The Black Widow also has our newest Z-Drive technology, which implements a full white flood feature on a full 360 of this vehicle. With the Z-Drive technology, the full white flood feature gives you the extra visibility when you're out in the field. Along with the HG2 Z-Drive runners, you can see the maximum lighting output. This also serves as the puddle light when you're in dark surfaces, as well as a work light. How much working area I have in a dark area. When the HG2 Dark Widow arrives on scene with the full white flood activated, it also has the cruise mode that gives it that full 360 presence and allows for the maximum effectiveness when this vehicle is on scene. With this mode activated, the rear of the vehicle is showing warning mode to allow for oncoming traffic to be aware that they're approaching a scene. As you work your way around the vehicle, it becomes a very user-friendly atmosphere for our first responders out at sea. When we get opportunities to custom design and engineer products for vehicles like the HG2 Black Widow, it gives our team at HG2 Emergency Lighting full reign to put our expertise into overdrive. As we all know, HG2 Emergency Lighting designs, engineers, and manufactures all of our products right here in the United States. Our headquarters is in Orlando, Florida. We strive ourselves to protect those who serve us. I want to thank everyone for giving me the opportunity to give you the behind-the-scenes look of the HG2 Black Widow. It's time for me to check out. Everyone stay safe and stay healthy.